starting around the 17th of May 2023. Torrential Slide, in every practical sense, is exchanging at $15.22 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.13% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they truly thought. Avax especially has an extremely complete market cap of $5,071,857,437, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $129,423,201, which generally is very huge. This generally makes Torrential Slide fundamentally positioning at 16 in the digital money market amazingly. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Torrential Slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Torrential Slide really be somewhat worth in 2023, which truly is very huge? Is Torrential Slide an especially wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Incredibly, will Avax cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking most certainly high in a by and large huge manner? These by and large are our Torrential Slide cost expectations for Avax's future, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential Slide value forecast 2023, which by and large is very huge. As per the Torrential Slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Avax cost basically is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $18.98. The normal truly least value worth of Torrential Slide toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $18.22. Besides, Avax can explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $22.02. Avax value gauge May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Torrential Slide truly is supposed to especially arrive at a kind of least value worth of $14.53, which is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $16.35, with the fundamentally normal cost around $15.89. Incredibly, Torrential Slide value expectation June 2023. Torrential Slide cost fundamentally is supposed to basically reach between $15.60 to $17.14 in June 2023, while the typical cost of Avax for the June in every way that really matters stays around $16.21. Torrential Slide value forecast July 2023. Torrential Slide cost by and large is supposed to explicitly reach between $16.25 to $17.95 in July 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Avax for the July truly remains around $16.86. Torrential Slide value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Torrential Slide value sort of is gauged to arrive at a least cost of $16.59, or so they generally thought. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $18.79, with the kind of typical expected cost around $17.20, which explicitly is very huge. Torrential Slide value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Torrential Slide could especially stretch around $19.65. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in September 2023 is $16.95, with a fundamentally normal cost of $17.71, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential Slide value figure October 2023. The normal cost of Torrential Slide could sort of go to $18.24 toward the finish of October 2023 in an especially enormous manner. Avax could sort of exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of $20.36, with the very least expected cost of $17.64 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Torrential Slide generally is gauged to be at around a genuinely least worth of $17.85. The Torrential Slide value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $21.09, with the very normal exchanging worth of $18.61 in USD in an exceptionally significant way. Torrential Slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential Slide cost certainly is supposed to sort of reach between $18.22 to $22.02 in December 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Avax for the December essential remains around $18.98. Torrential Slide past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost by and large has shown a for the most part great increment of 2.47% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Torrential Slide especially is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which generally is very huge. The Avax is down to nearly 2.05% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days in an extremely significant manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past truly couple of days. The coin could for the most part have major areas of strength for exceptionally in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment. So torrential slide value conjecture October 2023 the kind of normal cost of torrential slide could generally go to $18.24 toward the finish of October 2023, which certainly is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX in a real sense diminished by 28.353%, disposing of an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $6.02 from its by and large current worth, which truly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent purchase, a potential open door for in every practical sense. Fast venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is near 14.46%, and the cost for the most part course from a very least genuinely normal cost of $16.54 to by and large greatest especially normal cost of $18.27 in the especially beyond 90 days, which essentially is very critical. In most recent 4 months, torrential slide truly has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how besides the minimum cost of a VAX in September 2023 certainly is $16.95 with a truly normal cost of $17.71. In this manner, we really imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, as indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of torrential slide by and large is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, which by and large is genuinely huge. The coin explicitly is up by 20.62% with the especially greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin was around $11.78 and the very least by and large normal cost of especially was around $11.56 and extremely beyond 4 months in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide value gauge 2023 FAQs what will generally be torrential slide kind of worth in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner. The AVAX cost explicitly is gauged to really arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $22.02 with by and large least cost of $18.22 toward the finish of 2023, which especially is very critical. Does torrential slide especially have a future? As far as value, torrential slide essentially has an exceptional extremely potential to arrive at new levels, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking fundamentally. It really is conjecture that a VAX will increment in esteem. Fundamentally further appearance how torrential slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost is supposed to basically reach between $18.22 to $22.02 in December 2023 while the especially normal cost of a VAX for the December basically remains around $18.98 torrential slide kind of past cost examination with an expanded